mission of the aquatic preserve, Estero Bay Aquatic Preserve, is it's essentially for water quality protection. In turn, you're protecting your plants, your animals, your wildlife, recreational opportunities for us, and then also for future generations. So that's the aquatic preserve. Now, to protect the water, you have to protect the uplands, which filters the water that eventually makes its way into the bay. That's where Estero Bay Preserve State Park would come in. The original name was the Buffer Preserve, which the name itself, buffer, would supply protection, filtration to the water in the aquatic preserve. So it definitely goes hand in hand. We are restoring this land to pre-Spanish times. So we do have seed spread. If you start walking around, you'll find orange trees, Suriname cherries, mangoes outside of the Koreshan settlement. We are removing all exotic non-native species. Even though the Koreshans may have brought a tangerine tree in, well, that's only allowed in a certain area. So outside of that, we try to keep it the real Florida, and by removing all non-natives and exotic species. In the same sense, when we do our larger exotic projects, so they're used to looking at all green, not knowing some plants are good, some plants are bad. They like to see green. So when we come in and remove exotics and treat them aesthetically, it's not the same as what they're used to seeing. So those activities will get a rise out of the neighbors sometimes. And for us, it's interpretive programs and outreach to spread awareness to help combat that from happening. It's just tough to make everybody happy.